Welcome to our PRISMAsync How-to video series. In this video, we will explain how to create 36 pages booklet using PRISMAsync Advanced Imposition to produce a letter-sized finished booklet on 12 x 18-inch sheets. Artwork has bleed all the way around. A new job is in the waiting queue at the device. Select the job and tap Edit to open the Edit Job screen. Select the media for your finished size job. Define the size of your finished booklet by selecting Trimming. Select Print Trim Marks. Select Finishing Size. Press OK. Choose Imposition Template. Select Booklet F41 inside or F42 outside, depending on how you want the booklet to appear for your finisher. Press OK. To eliminate the gutter in the spine for the bleed area, select a line. Select Center Left to close the gap. This way your file is now imposed, laid out, and paginated as a booklet. It can be finished to an external booklet maker. Thank you for joining our how-to video.